So after fixing all the artboard and the pattern, now I'm going to save that pattern so I can come back and edit later, okay? To save this pattern, I'm going to File, then Save As, and then this time, see, instead of template, I'm going to change it to a line. Again, a line, it's good. And navigate to the folder that you want to save to. Then come down here, Format, still Adobe Illustrator. Again, because in Adobe Illustrator, allow you to go back and edit your pattern. If you want to change your mind or to want to rearrange something, you can do so. So Format, Adobe Illustrator, come down here, select Save. Then leave everything as is. Make sure again that Save Each Artboard to separate file and check, because you want to save all the pattern in one file, and then click OK.